This year's golf season, girls golf season, has been, I think, a very good success. The ladies came out and were willing to put some time in. Obviously, I would like to have had them play a little more this summer, but they came out and worked hard in practice, and at the present time, our dual record, we're undefeated. The tournament started with the GK tournament. We finished 7th out of 10 teams. Then we went to the Lakeview tournament and finished 14th. And then the final tournament we had was Marshall, where we finished 13th. The dual meets, all the girls played very well. In fact, we had different girls miss different nights, and it was a real team success because the girls who were left stepped in and shot very well. We beat Sturgis a couple times. We beat Kalamazoo Central, actually forfeited the other night, but we beat Matawan, we beat Lake Michigan Catholic. Now we're looking forward to playing Comstock on Monday, and then the state tournament is Wednesday. So 2013 has been a very successful season. I invite the young ladies who will be coming to school next year to come out for the team, and even some upperclassmen, you're more than welcome to play it, even if you've played little or no golf. So thank you, and go girls.
Hand-eye coordinated. You definitely need to be patient. It's a very frustrating sport. Not be afraid to take your time. Really just focused more than anything. I mean, it's definitely worth it. We always have a lot of fun. It's a lifetime skill. You take it with you for the rest of your life. It's always good to know how to play golf, especially for the future. It's really fun, and our coach is great, and you do learn a lot in the small season we do have. Shot, you know, they broke 50, which is a big deal, especially because some of them just started last year. I think just all around we all shaved off a lot of strokes from last year, and we became more well-rounded as golfers.